Imagine this. Your flat two-dimensional artwork suddenly becomes alive, gaining depth, texture, dimension. What was impossible in the past turned to be a reality now. Welcome everyone! In today's video, we are testing Luma Labs AI tools and their ability to generate real 3D videos. Can Luma Labs truly bring depth and realism to AI-generated videos? Let's find out. On the dashboard, you have the tools for image and video creation. So you can actually create your images first, right via Luma Labs, and turn them into video. You have different aspect ratios. The video tool allows you to create videos from text, the description. Using this tool, you have access to the earlier version Ray 1.6 and Ray 2. Ray 2 model represents a significant advancement over the previous Ray 1.6. It offers improved realism, more natural motion, and enhanced dynamic camera movements. It results in smoother and more cinematic visuals. It has better understanding of real-world physics, leading to more lifelike animations. However, Ray 2 is only available for text-to-video tool. If you want to create video using images, you can only do it using Ray 1.6. Ray 1.6 may lack some of these advanced capabilities, but could offer more stability in some cases. So in this video I will try these two options. First, create images and animate them to video using Ray 1.6, then create videos from text using Ray 2 and see which method creates the best 3D look. Let's move on. In the image to video tool, I used two images as the start and end frame. Then I extended the video by animating the second image. And I took the first image of a forest with the sunlight coming through, and this castle image as a second image. It should create a feeling of someone going through the forest path towards this castle. Let's see how it worked. For me, it gives the feeling of 3D video. The transition between the first and the second video seems to have some inconsistency, but if then, they're very insignificant. Then the next two images that I want to animate, similarly as the previous two, the picture of the underwater and an ancient shipwreck, and we have the following video. And I think it worked fine, as these scenes create a sense of space. Then I had such two images of the frog, of the cartoon frog. The first one, the frog is sitting on the lily pad, and the second one is the frog is leaping. By the way, there are different ways to create several images with the same reference image. The frog is sitting, the frog is leaping, and so on. There are several AI tools. For instance, in the Kling AI, you also have images, AI images. You can upload your image and change it to different movements, different scenes surrounding, and so on. As earlier I asked to animate the end frame as well to extend a little bit, and let's see how it worked. Somehow it didn't work to create the natural transition, so I needed to cut the last part, but still it didn't worked naturally. The frog legs are not very clear at the end. To see if it's a good 3D video, I think we need to have it longer. Then I had the first image of the mountain with two hands or arms and the person reaching the summit that I combined to a video. Though you get a sense of 3D here, I think the transition is a little bit abrupt, and at the end you see the posture is unfirm, stick is shaky. Overall, assessing the feature image to video of Luma for the 3D quality, from all our tests, the scene with the forest and castle and the mountain still worked the best for the 3D quality, giving it the best sense of space in spite of the inconsistency. Probably it's worth to edit some parts to do the best out of it. In the second part of my video, I want to show you the feature text to video. And at first I wanted to take something very simple, like a cat walking through a sunlit room. The prompt includes: the cat walks from the far side of the room towards the camera, passing a large armchair on its left. The sunlight streams in through a window, casting shadows across the floor and highlighting the dust motes in the air. The camera is positioned low, giving a cat eye view. And actually I didn't include the word 3D, but these descriptions, it should give some feeling of 3D. And normally Luma AI creates two videos. As always, I take the best one of two. So let's see how it worked. And this simple video worked very well. There are shadows, no inconsistency, no issues. And the next video, I put the words 3D video in front of the prompt. A hummingbird enhanced with cybernetic upgrades engages in a high-speed chase through a vibrant bioluminescent jungle. Chase should be fast-paced and visually stunning, with the hummingbird zipping through the dense foliage, dodging obstacles and leaving trails of light in its wake. The video should have a dynamic, almost anime-inspired feel, with a focus on action and visual spectacle. And wow, what the strong colors, and all objects are stable. For me, you can perceive this 3D sense. And the next one, a tiny robot powered by laughter embarks on a quest to deliver a single perfectly ripe strawberry to the moon. The camera follows closely as the robot navigates the three-dimensional landscape. The journey takes it through fantastical 3D environments: a forest of giant lollipops that tower over the robot, a river of liquid chocolate that flows in a winding path through the scene, and a mountain range sculpted from books that stretch into 3D design. The robot's movements should be expressive, charming and clearly three-dimensional, with its limbs moving fluidly in 3D space. The overall feel should be playful and Pixar-esque, with bright colors that pop up in the 3D space and a light-hearted soundtrack. The camera should orbit the robot as it interacts with these 3D elements, showcasing the depth and volume of the scene. As you see, the AI didn't follow exactly the prompt. Overall, it gives a great 3D sense, but it has some inconsistencies. A very interesting video. For me, the video of the cat and the hummingbird became the best. That was our deep dive into Luma Labs 3D capabilities. What do you think? Does it deliver a true 3D effect? Or is there a room for improvement? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and stay tuned for more AI tool tests. See you in my next video.